In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter text into a cell in Smartsheet. To get started, open your Smartsheet sheet and make sure you're on the correct page where you want to make your update. Before typing anything, take a quick moment to look over the sheet so you can confirm you're editing the right row and column. This helps avoid placing information in the wrong spot, especially if you're working in a large sheet with a lot of data. Once you're ready, click the cell where you want to type. When you select the cell, Smartsheet will highlight it so you can clearly see where your entry is going. This is an important step because whatever you type next will be added directly into that selected cell. Now go ahead and type your text or value. This could be a word, a short note, a number, a date, or any other kind of information you need to enter. As you type, focus on accuracy and formatting so the content is easy to read later. If you're entering something important, it can help to type carefully and review it before moving on. When you're done entering the content, press Enter or Return to finish editing the cell. This confirms your entry and places the text into the sheet. In most cases, this is the quickest and simplest way to complete the edit and move forward. If you need to add a new line inside the same cell instead of finishing the entry, use Shift and Enter or the line break shortcut supported by your device. This is useful when you want to include multiple lines of text in one cell, such as short notes, instructions, or a list that should stay grouped together. Using a line break keeps everything organized without forcing you to move to another cell. After that, check that the text appears the way you want. Make sure the wording is correct, the value is accurate, and any line breaks display properly inside the cell. If something doesn't look right, you can click back into the cell and adjust it before continuing. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later. Finally, save the sheet after editing. This makes sure your changes are kept and available the next time you or someone else opens the sheet. And that's it. You've successfully entered text into a cell in Smartsheet in a clean and organized way.